guys, welcome back. You guys really like that candy dispenser, huh? So I had an idea. Why won't we make a Christmas candy dispenser? Come on guys, let's go. Welcome back to Toys and Games. Let's have some fun. If you guys are excited for Christmas, make sure to thumbs up this video. So now it's time to decorate our Christmas candy dispenser, guys. This is gonna be awesome. So these are for like the pushers, and these are the question marks so they don't know what candies are there. Look at all this sparkly tinsel, guys. I think this would look really good on our Christmas candy dispenser. Let's get started. Let's put in the candy. Look guys, we got Rolos and this really cool looking candy cane. The next one we have Mike-Nite. That's a lot. Sour Patch Kids. And we also have our Hershey's Kisses. These are the special holiday M&Ms. They smell so good. This is the finale, the sweet stripes. I'm just gonna take a handful at one time because these will fill everywhere. We have all of our candy in our Christmas candy dispenser, so now it's time to call my brothers. What do you think Gage and Luke are gonna react like? Happy or surprised? Leave an emoji down below. Gage, win!
What is it, Kyle?
Guys, I have a surprise for you, but first you gotta suit up. Okay. Hey guys, come in. The Christmas candy dispenser.
Whoa, that looks awesome,
Whoa,
Kyle.
That looks really cool.
So
it has
cool.
a bunch of mystery candies.
Ooh.
Which one should we try first? This one right here.
Okay, let's see what candy it is. Oh, Rolos!
Yeah?
Let's try them.
Yeah.
Christmas Rolos.
Yeah.
Is it good?
Way good.
Do they have like mint or just caramel inside?
It's just caramel. It's so good.
Have you guys ever tried Rolos before? I really like them.
I like them too. Tell us down in the comments.
I think we should do this green ribbon.
Yeah, here, I'll catch a candy.
With the blue arrow and question
Yeah.
mark?
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh.
Mike-Nite!
Mike-Nite!
And they're,
Whoa!
and they're all
Yeah.
like Christmas colors.
Yeah!
Let's try it.
Those are so good. Tastes like Christmas. To the next candy.
Whoa, that was a really good candy, the last one.
Yeah.
Let's go for this like striped ribbon one.
Whoa. Oh, there's some candy.
Oh! Sour Patch Kids!
Christmas themed.
I'm gonna try both the red and the green.
Definitely more sour.
Ooh, that is so sour!
Yeah, I'm gonna try two more to see how sour it is.
They are so good.
Oh! What's the next one? Here, push it, Gage.
Oh, are you coming out of there?
The Hershey's Kisses!
Oh, Christmas themed.
Ooh, here, try them. Wait, they have weird flavors, so I wonder if this one's gonna be like...
Caramel or something. Is it just chocolate?
What do you
it
guys
just
think?
tastes like normal.
It
Really?
just tastes normal to me.
Ooh, next up we have the green ribbon.
Oh,
Oh.
What are they? Whoa!
Oh, they're Christmas M&Ms.
Here, let's try them.
with the mint flavor.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're totally mint flavored.
That's so good.
It's time for the finale one.
Okay, what's the last one? Let's see, Gage.
Oh, some came out.
See,
Whoa.
look, they're striped candies. They're
They're-
called sweet stripes.
They're like peppermints.
Do you think
Whoa,
so? Try them.
Try them.
They're really good, huh?
Those ones are, I think, my favorite. Those ones were delicious.
I like the M&M's the best.
I think I really like the Rolos. Have you guys ever tried any of these candies? Comment down below. Which one's your favorite? Okay guys, it's time to party.
It's my favorite part of it all. When you and me deck the halls, making everything look just like it should at Yuletide. The parcels are all under the tree, right where they should be. Soon everything is Christmas-fied. Disney bonafide.
channel to watch more, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!